In today's video, we will learn how to properly use a VPN extension in the Chrome browser on a PC so that your location accuracy appears 100%. I hope you liked my previous videos. So let's move on to today's video. Hello guys. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC and search Urban VPN Proxy extension in the Google search bar. Open the very first website that appears. You will see an interface like this, where it says Urban VPN Proxy. Now click on Add to Chrome, then click on Add Extension. You can see that the downloading has started. After the download is complete, the VPN extension will be installed automatically. Now click on the extension icon and open Urban VPN Proxy. Then click on Accept. You will see an interface like this, where you can select your preferred country. After that, click on Connect. You can see that it has successfully connected to the selected country. Now we have to check whether our location has been completely changed or not. For this, type hoor.net in the Google search bar and open this website. You will see an interface like this, where you can check your current location. Below, you will see a green line where the score is showing 90%. It should be 100% for your location to be considered fully changed. Scroll down on this website. Here you can see that the time of our VPN IP address and the time of our system, PC, are different, which is why the accuracy is showing 90%. To fix this, you simply need to go to your PC's time and date settings and set the time according to your VPN location. Now we have set our PC time according to the VPN location. Let's go back to the website and check again what percentage our location accuracy has reached now. Now you can see that the green line is showing 100%. And if you check the time, the VPN location and our system time are matching. In this way, you can correctly change your location. All the tips and tricks on our channel are 100% working. I hope you liked today's topic. So we will meet in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye. For more informative videos like this, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.